Okay guys, so welcome back, second part. Now we're gonna add the second layer. So with this, when we're adding the second layer, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give the bottom a pinch. Do you see that? A pinch like that. And then we're gonna add glue, and we're gonna glue them in between that first layer. This and go all the way around. Now, remember when I said a wooden dowel? That also comes in handy to help you press down. If you're wondering what color cardstock I'm using, it is from Michaels. It's the their roses pack. It's the lightest shade. It's like a pretty blush pink. To be honest, the only time I buy that cardstock it's when it's on sale for like $2. I like my sales. I refuse to spend $5 on just 10 sheets. Granted, you get, 5 different colors, but I don't use them all, so. All right, so as you can see, it's already taking shape. Remember, give that bottom a little pinch. All right, so we're done with that second layer. All right, so that's what we should have. Now we're gonna go with the third layer, which is your second smallest petal. I have a feeling I'm gonna need more, and that's okay. Same thing, give it a pinch on the bottom, glue, and then you're gonna go around. Now, for here, no, they don't have to go in between, just keep them together and go around. Does that make sense? So it's okay if they're not in between that second layer of petals that we laid down. I will tell you, this is such a pretty flower, but if you're like planning on shipping it, I will tell you it's a pain in the butt. Just like any pointy flower, because of the shipping. And if you don't protect it that well, it can get damaged during transit. I would suggest a lot of bubble wrap. All right, there you go. That's the second layer. I could have done another one. Oh, here's my son. Are we recording? Go.
Where's Dad?
Go look for Daddy. I think he's in the garage. Sorry, my son. My husband is taking all three shopping. Good luck, right? All right, guys, so there is that layer. So now we're gonna go on to the smallest one. So give it a pinch on the bottom. We're gonna add the glue. And this is where your wooden dowel is gonna come in handy, because the fingers, well, at least my fingers don't really fit. So the wooden dowel is just gonna help you press down. So I could already see that I need probably 2 more. So I can put them in the center. So really quickly, I'm just going to trace . Dowel. It's gonna help me give them a good little curl. A little bit of glue. Once you do these a lot, you'll get used to the curling them, right? Pinch, glue. You know, I might not need another one just because that one is already there. Can you see it? I know it's so big that you really can't see. But this is, just wanted to give you guys the gist of how to make this flower. So clearly you can make it bigger. If you wanted it more smaller using the medium, you know, I did like 1/2 inch, but you can bring the first layer in more. So obviously it would be a tad bit more smaller, if that makes sense. Typically when I make this flower, I like to have 4 layers. So like with this one again, I did 4 layers. Size wise, let me measure this one just to give you an idea. So it is about 17 inches. Suggestion, once you're done with that, just because it can get a little bit flimsy, what I suggest is on the back, cut out, if you have the large circle, trace it on another, same color, and then just add the circle on the back, just because it's going to give it more support to the petals, if that makes sense. So I hope you found this useful. Just follow the same steps with the larger petals, you know, and you'll be able to create something like this. Okay, guys? Any questions? Message me. Templates can be found at www.arielelisedesigns.com. Okay, and this is template 1.